Everyone thinks a market crash is coming right now. You see it in the news. You feel it in the uncertainty. And when that happens, people start making a decision that feels smart, but almost always backfires. Because the biggest mistake isn't the crash itself, it's what people do next. And most people don't even realize they're doing it. And here's what makes this so interesting. At first, it doesn't look like a mistake. It actually feels responsible, logical even. Because if a crash might be coming, it seems smart to prepare, to protect your money, to avoid losses. And that's exactly where the pattern begins. At first, preparing for a crash seems like the right move. If something bad might happen, why not act early? Why not protect what you've built? And this is where most people feel confident, because they believe they're being careful, disciplined, even smart. But something subtle starts to change. The focus shifts, not from strategy, but from certainty. And without realizing it, people stop following a system and start reacting instead. Let's imagine two people, Daniel and Maria. Both of them invest regularly. Both of them are building toward long-term goals. Now the news starts to change. There are warnings about the economy, talk about rising oil prices, concerns about global instability. Daniel starts paying closer attention. He checks the market more often, scrolls through headlines, watches more videos, and slowly, his confidence starts to shift. Not because anything has happened yet, but because something might happen. So he decides to act. He pauses his investments, just for now, just to be safe. Maria sees the same news. She understands the same risks, but her approach is different. She follows a structure. She continues investing as planned. No sudden changes, no reaction to headlines. Time passes. The market becomes unpredictable. Some days go down, some days go up. Daniel keeps waiting for clarity, for the right moment. But that moment never feels clear. Maria keeps moving, steady, consistent, uninterrupted. From the outside, Daniel was trying to be careful, but Maria kept progressing. The difference between Daniel and Maria is not about intelligence. It's about how decisions are made. When people believe a crash is coming, they start trying to predict what happens next, when to pause, when to sell, when to come back. And that creates a new problem. Because now every decision depends on timing. And timing the market is extremely difficult. Not because people are careless, but because it requires being right twice. Once when you step out, and once when you step back in. And that second decision is where most people get stuck. Because the right moment never feels clear. So they wait. They hesitate. They stay on the sidelines longer than planned. Meanwhile, the market continues moving. Sometimes down, sometimes up, but always uncertain. Now compare that to a structured approach. Instead of predicting, the focus shifts to consistency. Investing regularly, following a plan, continuing regardless of short-term movement. This removes the need for perfect timing. And over time, consistency becomes more powerful than prediction. This is where psychology plays a bigger role than people expect. When people believe a crash is coming, they don't just think differently, they feel differently. There is a sense of urgency, a need to protect, to avoid losing what they've built. And that feeling is powerful, because loss feels stronger than gain. So the focus shifts from long-term growth to short-term protection. And in that moment, decisions become reactive. Not because people lack discipline, but because they are trying to reduce uncertainty. And that often leads to hesitation or constant adjustment. But when someone follows a clear system, that pressure becomes less important. They still feel uncertainty, but they don't need to act on it because the decision has already been made. So here is the hidden rule behind all of this. Do not replace your system with predictions. Because the moment decisions become reactive, consistency disappears. And without consistency, progress becomes difficult to sustain. Markets will always feel uncertain. There will always be reasons to worry. But a structured approach does not depend on certainty. It depends on discipline. And that is what keeps progress moving forward. So if it feels like a market crash might be coming, that feeling is not unusual. Many people are thinking the same thing. But the more important question is not, what will the market do next? The more important question is, how will you respond to uncertainty? Because in the end, success in investing is not determined by predicting the future. It is determined by how consistent your system remains when the future is unclear. And sometimes, the biggest difference between two people is not what they believe about the market, but what they choose to do because of that belief.